You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Are you ready to see inside a Waco, Texas Airbnb here in the Lone Star State? Let's do this. Alrighty, so starting off, you have the front door, and one of the amazing things that this Airbnb has chosen to do is they use SimpliSafe, which is a security system, which is super awesome. So we can definitely stay safe. This isn't sponsored. This is just what this Airbnb chose to do. You also have this table, and one of the really cool things is they just have this little booklet that you can sign, a little guest book, so you can see where other people are from.
Hi, I'm from Tennessee.
You also have these really awesome signs. You can kind of see my reflection. Hello. It has an evacuation map, which is also a safety thing. You have a nice big window with blackout shades. You have the couch. So this couch actually folds out into a bed. We know it because we tried it. My sister slept there.
I took the bedroom.
You have a nice coffee table right here. To your left, you have a massive TV. There is the little SimpliSafe thing right there, which is on. This home is secured. Some shelves up there. Then coming off of the living room, you have this little bar area. So some bar stools. You can sit up here and eat your breakfast, which I have done. We have just junk and stuff over here, but they also come with a little booklet, which I thought was a very smart idea. It says, welcome to our home, and you can just go through. They have notes and all sorts of things, recommendations on where to eat in the area, which is super nice. This Airbnb is called StadiumSide. It's here in Waco, Texas. It's right next to the college.
Go Bears!
So if you are ever here and you want to stay in this Airbnb, come check it out. Then moving on into the kitchen area, you can immediately see that this is a really nice kitchen. It has all of your appliances that you might need. A blender, we have an oven, a hood, knives.
Okay, are knives actually an appliance?
All of that stuff that you might need. And then over here, we have some of the food that we bought. Of course, we are in Waco, the home of Dr. Pepper. So we had to get some Dr. Pepper jelly beans. And if you haven't seen the other videos, we went to Buc-ee's. So I got some saltwater taffy. You gotta have it. And then they also provided some snacks. So some bars, tons of coffee creamer for all of you who cannot function without caffeine. Then over here we have some of the goods that we purchased, some coffee creamer that they provide. And then of course, like any good Airbnb, it does come stocked with all of your plates, cups, bowls, glassware, all of the things that you need to enjoy your stay at the Airbnb. You have your Keurig, like I said, creamer, Keurig. Oh no, that's creamer. See, I don't drink coffee that much. What is this then? This is something. You have a dishwasher, sink,
Nick ain't perfect.
over from your sink, you have the fridge, and the fridge even has a dispenser, so you can get water and ice. They even are super nice to provide you with some water here, which in Texas, you are going to need. So you gotta hydrate, so you don't dehydrate. Of course, you have a microwave, and then in here is just a trash can and your spices, and they even provide you with some cereal. That all was here, popcorn, paper towels, toasters, trash bags, all the things. Then you've got a door to the outside, which the outside is really nice. All right, so here is the backyard at the Airbnb. So you have a nice little table. There's a pergola with some couches, and then a grill, which is super awesome. There's a shed back there, which we can't use, but the Airbnb host can use. Then you've got the laundry room. So this Airbnb does come with a full washer, a full dryer. Then coming out of the kitchen, you go into the hallway. So bathroom, bathroom, bedroom. And then in this bedroom, this is the bedroom that I've been using. Okay, so when you come into this first bedroom, despite all of my things, don't judge me. This is a real tour. Because let's be real, life isn't always clean.
Ain't that the truth?
You immediately have your dresser with a awesome big flat screen TV. You have some lamps, one there, blackout curtains. And one thing that I love that they have in these bedrooms is a fan. And they even have little symbols on the thing. Because who's like me and doesn't know which one is which? Super smart. You have your bed. Now, this bed did not look like this when we got it. Of course, it had all of the decorative pillows and stuff. I've actually slept in it really, really well. The only thing to think of is it's not that long, but it's super comfortable. And yes, that is my stuffed animal. Whoa, over there. You know, you just gotta have your stuffed animals. Why not? Again, don't judge me. It's rude. Don't do that. And then right over from the bed, you have a closet. So they give you hangers. There's a blanket comforter thing up there. Really don't know what that is. Then coming out of the bedroom, you have the thermostat. It is like a little smart thermostat. And comment down below what you like your thermostat at. We like it anywhere from 69 to 72, probably on the cooler side of things. Then we have the bathroom, which it's pretty small. However, there I am. They made a good use of space. You have a sink with your towels all down there. Of course, a toilet. And then a pretty decent sized shower with a tub. And it's also really well done. Just the way that they designed it, it's very, very professional. And then you have this bathroom, which is basically the same size as the other one, just a little different. If you noticed, a white cabinet.
So, after spending some time in this vacation home, I think I realized that the other cabinet in the other bathroom actually wasn't a different color. Instant replay.
I'm still here, guys, and I hope you're still watching. And one of the cool things that they gave you is a little care package. So you have like soaps and stuff like that. You have towels, your shower in here, but still really well done. And breaking just now,
Dun, dun, dun.
there's this closet right next to the bathroom, and I just opened it up, and it has an ironing board, it has cleaning supplies, a vacuum, and it even has like some games and some cards. Super awesome. So in this bedroom, you have a massive TV, nice dresser to store all of your clothes, 2 nightstands on both sides. This bedroom comes with really nice blackout curtains so you can sleep nice and comfortable. And one of the really cool things that this home and this bedroom comes equipped with is a Google. So here are all of the little commands that they outline right here that you can ask Google to control. Like I said earlier, this Airbnb is very, very well equipped. So you have these little containers for things you might need, extra mirrors that people can use, and then even a nice big closet with tons of storage up there, and even extra pillows and comforters, stuff to make the sofa bed out in the living room. Oh yes, I'm coming back. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this Airbnb here in Waco, Texas. Check it out if you want to stay here at this Airbnb that is super close to the university here in Waco. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, life is worth living for. Don't give up. And if you would love to subscribe, that would be awesome. And I'll see you all in the next video. God bless. Closing out.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our